What's up, peoples? So, it is currently time o'clock, and I'm hungry. Now, usually that's not a big problem, but I can only eat from vending machines for the next 24 hours. So most likely, this is gonna suck. Like I only know two places that have vending machines. So yeah, this is probably gonna really suck, really bad, and I'm probably gonna fail this challenge. I don't even know if you can call this a challenge. I did see like Click for Taz. I did see her do this challenge probably like a while ago in the UK, and I want to know if I can do it in the US. So I do know where two vending machines are. All right, but I do know that both of them are snack vending machines, and yeah, I want some actual food. I really have water. Man, this is gonna be a day. Well, get to you and get to the first location, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so we're at the first stop, and I got two vending machines. One snacks. So what we're gonna be looking at is I don't know. It's actually not bad. Probably gonna go with Pop Tarts. So I actually have change. I'll go Pop Tarts. They don't have water, so everybody knows me knows I don't really drink anything but water. But we're definitely gonna go with strawberry Pop Tarts. Just gonna change that for you guys. Absolutely. E4. So, Pop Tarts. And there we are. So, breakfast is literally gonna be Pop Tarts and Mountain Dew. Yeah. Balanced breakfast, people. That's serving size. And these are Pop Tarts, people. And I haven't had Pop Tarts in, I know that, well, it's gonna be backwards and upside down anyways. So it's like I haven't had Pop Tarts, Pop Tarts and Mountain Dew since my college days. The Pop Tarts I think is a breakfast win. Yeah. Gosh, that's sugary. ASMR for you right there. Yeah. So, wake up. I actually can't taste the Mountain Dew. As far as breakfast though, it's definitely a 2 out of 5. Yeah. See, I don't think I'm gonna be able to set that back up for you. A train. All these people have visibility jackets on. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, there's like a if I'm not mistaken, there's a train tour for this city. This reminds me of some good times. Some good times. I also didn't sleep. I don't think that's a balanced breakfast, but it's breakfast. And we'll see what happens around lunch. I'm scared. All right, so I'm actually back, and I have to try and go to someplace else to where I can actually get some food. Because I don't. There is like literally no food in these places. Okay, so I am here at the hospital, and I don't know if this place is hospital-y enough. And the thing is, like, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for like the like a food court or something. I don't even know if this I don't know if you gotta have an appointment considering the pandemic we're in. So I'm not really sure. Cause yeah, I think this is like a mercy. And I know it's I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't be doing this. Like I feel like I shouldn't be doing this. But it's like this is the emergency interest. I don't want to go here. Okay, so we're gonna try and go to the main entrance and see. So I'm gonna switch cameras because I don't think I can film in there. I'm just gonna ask is like their food court open. So I'm just gonna see if that actually works. LA. Wait a minute. Oh, this is reserved for valet. It's just, oh, what? That's a whole spot there. Oh, snap, I almost passed it. I'm actually about to walk in here.
Hello.
Hi.
Your visit?
Okay. Do y'all have a food court?
The cafeteria is closed to non-employees right now. There is a vending machine over there if that helps.
Okay. And ER?
Yep, in the ER.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
We're about to go into the emergency entrance and see, they say it's what's it called over there. So we just gotta see if we can actually get in there. I feel so bad.
I just want to make sure I was checking everything
Okay. Can I use the vending machines? Or...
Right down the hallway to your left.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm in here. Oh, this is terrible. So what I have found is that this is so there's no food here. I'm gonna go for either the payday or the peanuts. Oh wait, the the granola thing. So yeah, we're just gonna go for that stuff. So yeah, select an item. I'll go 1.2. Select another item. 1.8. All right, and gosh, this is gonna be lunch, guys. Yeah, this is gonna be lunch, guys. It kind of sucks, but whatever. I have water in the car, so yeah, bye. Thank you. Okay, guys. Okay. I did get something, but man, it's like when I tell you guys, this kind of sucks because right now I'm just like, it's just like, whatever. It's like, come on now. It's like, There is no, like, this literally doesn't work. It doesn't work. All right. It's like 6 o'clock, I think. Hey, the only thing I had was freaking Pop Tarts. Been up since this morning. It's terrible. It's terrible. Hold on. So I got a payday. I thought I got peanuts, but it's covered in peanuts. So totally cool. Totally cool. Yeah. But payday is a payday. It's alright. It tastes like a payday. It tastes like nougat covered in peanuts and sugar and whatnot. But I'm gonna try and find a hotel or something. Maybe they have a sandwich vending machine or something like that. Because yeah, I'm not looking at this. Is not a success. This is not a success whatsoever. I'm gonna stop at a hotel and I'm actually gonna see if they have some actual food, considering it's not that late. I thought it was later than it actually was. But yeah, so I know you can't see me at all right now in this darkness. All right, so this is my little spy cam. All right, which I actually like. It's actually pretty fucking good. All right, so I'm gonna see if they have like vending machines or something here, which I doubt they do. They say, oh, they do. Hold on. You guys, when I tell you, I don't even remember where I parked. Goldfish memory. No. Yeah, so it's like 5:22. And going pretty well so far. I would say we've had quite the something. I want to know if Popeyes have a does Popeyes count as a vending machine? I don't know. This is actually way harder than I expected it to be, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to fail, so I might as well do my fail face. It's like what I'm thinking about, right? I'm thinking about, listen close, right? So if I order something from Little Caesars, right? I order something from Little Caesars, okay, and I go pick it up out of the portal. Technically, that's a vending machine, right? That's technically, it's a vending machine. Technically, right? It's a technicality. It has to be a vending machine because technically, someone puts it in the machine, and I take it out of the machine, and I pay the machine for the thing. Yeah, we totally gonna say that's a vending machine. It is totally a vending machine. All right, I am not cheating the system. It is a vending machine. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. Okay? I believe I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. Cause it's a pizza portal. Like you pick it up. You pick it up out of a pizza portal. And what is a vending machine? Somebody comes up, right? And then they put food in it, right? And then you pay for the food from the machine. Yep. vending machine. Jeez, Little Caesars, make this like more thinkable. It's like, why do I have to read all of this? I have to read all of this to order a pizza. I don't even want to order this thing, honestly. I just gotta understand that this is actually a vending machine. Okay? So, let's see if it's here. It is here. Oh, it's done! Look. See that? That right there. Alright, so technically there is no interaction. Oh no.
Are you gonna hold the door for us?
Yes.
I love you.
I love you too. All right. So yeah. So I just showed you guys why that's a vending machine. It's totally a vending machine. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. It was a vending machine. And yeah, I think given that it is like whatever time it is, it's like 6 o'clock or something like that. Okay. It's like 6 o'clock. And the cool thing is, right? I got pizza. Not only do I have pizza, but I have holy crap, that is beautiful. I have Little Caesars. I can't see that, by the way. I have Little Caesars. Caesar something or something. I don't know. I don't know what this is called. Honestly, no clue what this is called. It's just pizza. Okay, so it's like I think it's pepperoni stuffed pizza. It's pepperoni stuffed crust pizza, pepperoni and cheese stuff, but I shouldn't be eating this. Not with the day I have tomorrow. Oh, that's hot. That's really hot. Hold on. You know what? I'll tend to the after. Take a bite of this and review this. It's technically vending machine food. Wow, that is hot. First of all, it's hot. And that is soggy crust. That crust is extra soggy, but I don't think we're here for the crust. Or the, I don't know. Yeah, that is like, tastes like pizza. Honestly, I guess I'm not really here for the pizza. I'm here for the crust and the pizza. So yes, I did sanitize my hands. Don't call me disgusting. Actually, good. I think it's like garlic or parmesan or something on there. So look at my hand, dude. Look at my hand. This is messy. This is very messy. It's very messy. Um, um, on a scale, 1 to 5, I guess. I don't know. 1 to 10. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm waiting stuff these days. But Little Caesar stuffed crust, pepperoni stuffed crust pizza. Of course, gets a, I don't know, 6 or something. The pizza itself is really a bit too soggy, you know. The crust is the pizza itself is too soggy. So tell me, are you? Yeah, the pizza itself is too soggy, and yeah, all the toppings just slid off. So if you want to mess, by all means, it's fine. But if you actually want like pizza, then no. But I'm pretty sure I failed at this, even though I still think Little Caesars is a the pizza portal. Technically should count as a vending machine, considering somebody puts the food in there, then you pay for the food, and you don't have to interact with anybody. You can judge for yourself whether I cheated or not. That is it. Keep your health, keep your wealth, remove the negativity, and we out here. Out here. Where's the stick? Because I totally suck at that.